Imagine this. You're looking for a powerful no-code database tool in 2025, and two platforms keep popping up. NocoDB and Baserow both promise Airtable-style flexibility without the subscription nightmare. Both look clean, fast, and customizable. But which one actually fits the way you build? NocoDB is all about power and integrations. It turns any SQL database into a spreadsheet-style interface. That means you keep full control, self-host easily, and connect to real relational data. It's great if you want enterprise-style structure without writing tons of back-end code. The catch? It can feel more technical for beginners, and some advanced features require tuning. Baserow, on the other hand, focuses on simplicity and collaboration. It's super clean, beginner-friendly, and perfect for teams that just want an easy Airtable alternative. It supports plugins, API access, and self-hosting too. But it's more limited for heavy relational setups or complex workflows. So here's the reality. Choose NocoDB if you want power, SQL control, and deep customization. Choose Baserow if you want simplicity, easy team collaboration, and a lighter learning curve. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more honest no-code tool breakdowns.